Alright guys, I got a request in the comments about doing a video on the hiking bike sleeping bag. It's I think it's made with goose down, and it could go to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or yeah, so basically at freezing. Is it 0 degrees? Yeah, 0 degrees. So, well, I just opened the top part, and really this is all together to compact it more. So yeah, actually this part is all in one. Let's see what's inside. Sorry guys, I'm working with one hand here. Okay, so there's a knot. Let me get this open. Alright guys, I got it open. I just had to pull on the string in order to untie it and everything. So, going to take it out. Actually, let me get my stand. Let's see here how it's rolled up, so I don't have to figure a way out how to pack this thing again. Okay. Yeah, this thing is in there pretty tight. Alright, looks like okay, so basically it's rolled not in half but a quarter. Oh no, it isn't half. So basically unroll it. So I gotta put it like that and that. Okay, so it's rolled in fours. Let's see how big this thing is. I need yeah, just watch the floor, so I don't want it to actually have it bad. 0 degrees, 625 fill, power, adventure ready to go. Alright, this thing is pretty huge, and I got the long one. I'd say it's about 6.5 foot. Now I'm gonna crawl inside of it. See what's happening. Get my shoes off. Velcro. Zipper. I'm not gonna zip it all the way down. Yeah guys, this thing is pretty warm. I can feel it already. Dang. Yeah, this fill power is amazing. Synthetic. And I'm 5'11" and I still got room. Pretty much. Here, let me get that. I still got a lot of room. See, if I get all the way in, I still got all this head space and everything. Then all you do, just gotta zip it up. Yeah, this thing's cozy. And it's got a comfortable bottom as well. So you can at least put a sleeping pad under it though. That's the one thing. But yeah. Damn. This thing is really hot. Like, I'm not gonna lie. And it's a little chilly in my room too, but this provides enough heat. Yep. Yeah, this thing is very, very hot. I can't even stay in there for long. I never had a sleeping bag like this. It's pretty interesting, to say the least. Let's see here. 0 degrees, 625 fill, power, adventure ready gear. That's my review on the hiking bike. Pretty, I mean, if you're like 7 foot, you can fit in it. I just got the tall one just to have it, but this thing will work fine during the winter. I know that. It's got a little spot for your head too. You could practically sleep outside in this if you wanted to, really. But alright guys, that's my review on the hiking bike. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do. I'm not pressing it on you, I'm just saying it would be cool if you did. But alright guys, about to go adventuring. Later, see you on the other side. Peace. Hey guys, one more thing I wanted to add. This thing is extremely hard to get back in its pack, pretty much. Like, you gotta roll it a certain way, like in 4 quarters, and then roll it up all the way. But yeah, that's the best I could do. I just kind of tied these down to make it compact. It's made of ripstop nylon, so it's very durable and it would last a while. But yeah, it's just it's pretty hard getting it compacted. You just got to do the right way. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'm slowly having my pack ready for camping and traveling. My next video I'm gonna do a you know, just do a thing on the fly top. Basically, I'm gonna set it up, show you guys how it is on the inside and everything. But yeah, I'll give it my best shot to camp and show you how everything works within my bag. But yeah, just gonna do a review on this tent. Pretty good tent, 4 season, and it would last a long time. I could feel this outer shell layer, like it is very durable and strong for the fly. But yeah guys, hiking bike I would recommend. Just very hard to put away, that's all it is. But it will keep you warm as anything. Like, I'm serious. 650 down, and this thing is probably 7 foot long at least, because I got the plus size. Alright guys, that's my video for today. I'll check in with all you later. Let me know how you're doing during quarantine. I don't think we'll be in it for too long. I think my governor said that we're going to go back to business Friday. But we're still going to practice social distancing. Alright guys, later. See you on the other side. Peace.